find the equation of an ellipse and graph it as well. So this foci is at 0 plus minus 1 and the length of the major axis is 14. So the foci is at 0 plus minus 1. It would mean that this is a rough sketch of the ellipse. So the foci 0, 1 is over here and 0 minus 1 is over here. So definitely the ellipse is a vertical ellipse. It will look something like this. Now the length of the major axis is 14. So definitely this complete length is 14. Is 14. So if this is 14, which we call it as 2a, so the value of a will become 7. So the general equation of the ellipse, and definitely the center is 0, 0, because center is the midpoint of the foci, and the foci are symmetrically located, so the center will definitely be origin. So the general equation of the ellipse is going to look like x square over b square plus y square over a square is equal to 1. Why a square is coming below y? Because that's a vertical ellipse. And now y is something which we, b is a is something which we already know. So a square will be 7 square, which is 49. Now the only thing is we have to graph for, and definitely the coordinates will be 0, 7. These are the coordinates of the vertices, and 0, minus 7. Now all we have to find is the value of b. Now we know that there is a relation that in this case a square, in this case b square is a square times 1 minus e square. That's the relation. Now b square is which we have to find, a square is 49 and e is the unknown. So that's where some of the analysis with the focus comes in, because the distance between the origin and the foci is 1, and that is also equal to AE, is also equal to AE. So we are given that AE, which is the distance between the center and the foci, is 1. A is already 7, so 7E is 1, which means that E eccentricity is 1 over 7. So let's substitute E over here. So B square will be 49 times 1 minus 1 over 7 square, which is 49. So this will become 49 times 49 minus 1 is 48. 48 over 49. 49 and 49 is cancelled. So we are left with b square as 48. So if b square is 48, then the value of, then the equation of the ellipse is going to look like x square over 48, because b square is 48, plus y square over 49 is equal to 1. So this is the required equation of the ellipse. And the graph is definitely already graphed over here. It's just the matter of the endpoints of the minor axis. So this will be negative root 48 comma 0, and this will be root 48 comma 0. So these are the so this is the required graph of this ellipse as well. So that's a vertical ellipse which we get over here.